Hi everyone, welcome to BIMGuru. In this video, we'll discuss about one more feature for Revit families creation in Revit. So in this video, we'll discuss about sweep command in Revit, how we can use the sweep command for creating a Revit family. So let's start. Again, I'll click on File option, click on New, Family, and this time because we are using the sweep command, so in this particular video I'll create a plumbing fixture category, so that is why I'll defaultly select the metric plumbing fixture template, or we can go with metric generic model and then we can convert. Both the things are same, but for you I'll go with metric plumbing fixture. So it'll automatically convert the particular element into plumbing fixture category, as you can see right here as well. Okay, so for this particular video I have to go to front view or back view, wherever you want to go, because I wanted to create what we can say bottle trap or p trap, sorry, not bottle trap, the p trap will create in this particular video. So how we can create the p trap by using sweep command. So let's start. I'll click on the sweep command right here. This kind of command box will be open. Then now right here we have two options, sketch path and pick path, because we do not have any path as of now. So let's create. Click on sketch path. This kind of box will be opened. There are multiple commands to create that what we can say p type of line. So I'll use this arc first of all. So it starts, I'm just creating a random one. So let's see how it'll work. Let's go with that way. And now I'll go with the straight line from right here to right there. Okay. So just randomly I have given a path because I know the p-trap will look like this. So I have given that one. Now I wanted to give which kind of which kind of shape I wanted to give to this one. So I'll double click on this particular plane right there. Sorry, I have to finish this command first. Yeah, now I have to double click on this one, open view. Now right here, sorry, I can create the circle. Where is our box? Let's see. Zoom to fit. Fine. So I'll create a circle of 100 dia pipe. Sorry, 100 radius pipe. So it'll be 200 dia pipe. Okay. Let's finish this one. Now you can see this is our kind of p-trap. Yes, we can edit this one as per the requirement. As of now, this is kind of a shape that we needed, and we got the shape. Okay, this portion should not be above this one. So what I'll do, I'll make it a little bit below till right there. I guess it'll be fine. Finish. Yeah, that's fine now. So this kind of p-trap we can create, and generally we need the diameter. If we want to change the diameter as per the requirement, so what we'll do is that we'll give the parameter value to the particular uh, uh, dimension we can give right there. So I'll press di command diameter. Okay, first of all, I guess this will be created as solid portion. So let's go and grab it, and I'll show you how it'll look like. So let's load into the project. So now if I load it at the multiple locations, let's make it fine, shaded. You can see it's plumbing fixture, okay? But I cannot convert this one into another category after this. So as of now, I cannot even edit anything right there. It's just kind of element. I can see in 3D as well from right there. You can see, but I cannot, create any parametric thing right here. So I wanted to make it parametric now. What I'll do in this scenario, I'll go inside the family. Okay. Also, if you have noticed, it's a solid form, right? It's not hollow. So firstly, let's make it hollow, and then we'll apply the parametric feature as well. So sorry. So yeah, so now if I wanted to go to 3D, fine, and shaded, perfect. Go inside the family, add it, make it dimension, diameter 200, but it is not hollow. So what I'll do, first of all, let's make it hollow. Give the offset of 2 mm. Okay, so I had given the offset inside that periphery. So our outer die is 200 and the inside 2 mm offset. It means it will be, the diameter will be 196. We can change that one, but as of now I just given that one. So what I'll do, I'll go with di command now, and I'll make both the dimensions. Sorry, this one and this one. So 200 is our actual dia, so I'll click on that one, come right here, give the instance, for example, pipe dia 1, okay, and another one is pipe dia 2, okay, fine. Why pipe dia 2? Because right there we could not lock, because this is the round periphery, so we cannot lock two dimensions. So what I'll do, I'll come right here and family types, and right there I'll say that pipe dia 2 always will be pipe dia 1 minus 4. Okay, let me bring it in bracket because we are using 1 right there. Fine. Okay, so it's 196. Fine. Now I'll click on finish. So we had given it hollow and we also given it the dimension. So let's make it into the project. It's like that. It's now hollow. You can see. And now it's parametric as well. So if I click on that one, come right here. If I want to change the dial, like let's make it 100 mm or 250 mm, it'll look like that. Okay. So we can use that one. Also, if I want to add the connector to it, what I'll do is that let's go in 3D. Okay, so I want to connect the pipe connector. It should be sanitary, so it is sanitary already, is right there, one right there, and the second right there. But we had given one parameter, so I'll select both, and I'll go with the diameter as dia 1 because that's our actual dia. Fine. Load into the project. Fine. Now if I click on this one, I can even create a pipe right there. Yeah, now I can see. Okay, so it's not 100. Why it's not 100? Because, sorry, how much dia it should have? Uh, okay. At that moment, it was not actually 200, I guess. Yeah, it was 250, correct? Because we have changed the value. So let me see if we have 250 dia pipe. We do not have. So in that case, either we can reduce this one by 200. So reducer will not be right there, or we can create one more what we can say pipe size. So I already had a session on that one, but let's create one pipe size as of now. So till 200 we are having. So let's make it it's 200. So let's create one more new schedule. That's fine. Okay, we are not going with that. Which, okay, yeah. T. Okay. And now click on new size. New size we are going with 250. Inside we are going like 240. Outside we are going with 260. Okay, fine. Click on OK. Okay. Now if I'll see right there, why I cannot see? Because it's copper A. Okay, I want to change because I had created a new one. So let me change the pipe as well. Sorry, not right here. Copper schedule 40. Okay, okay. Now I can see, is it the limit? Oh, limit is right there. So let's go with 250. Fine. Now check with 250. Fine. So that's how we can connect our pipes like that way. We can create things. So I hope you got the idea about sweep command properly. And what else we can see in the sweep command? Let's check. Mm, yeah, sweep command, we got it. Yeah. What else we can? Yeah, definitely. If you are having any family, those are coming in two different planes and those kind of things. Like for example, let's delete this one. Let's go with the, we can say, in your plan. It's very simple, right? For example, you wanted to create anything that has uh, just random things like that. Okay, like this. Now you want to create something like, for example, a duct like that. Okay. So what you can do? Just click on finish. Double click on the plane and create a rectangular thing right there, and whatever dimension you wanted. So, for example, uh, as of now, it will not be centric, but just go random thing. You know how to move that one. You can move that one later. But let's go with 200 by 200 maybe. Yeah, let's go with 200 by 200. Let's move it so that it'll be centric. Okay, approx maybe as of now. Okay, click on finish. Finish. Now for come in 3D. You can see it'll look like that. You can go in 3D as well. Like you can create a some kind of line structure in 3D, and then you can click on that pick path right there. So you can go like that way as well. So that's very useful command because you cannot create this kind of thing in like another features of uh, families. But definitely yes, you can create, but it'll take time. Like for example, the extrusion command, you have to make them one by one, and there will be some parametric thing as well that will create the issue. For example, um, like like you have to give the same kind of parameter to everywhere. Like you can see that the duct width or height is the same from this end to this end. So that's the sweep command. But if you are using the extrusion command, then in that case you have to provide uh, to this segment different, like the same parameter, then the same 5 times you have to do, right? Also, um, if the diameter is changing, okay, the diameter means the dimension is changing of the duct from this edge to this edge, then we'll discuss how we can create that one in our next video, that is sweep blend. So I hope you got the idea how we can use it. So thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.